In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on X, which is also known as Twitter, step by step. This is a quick and easy process, whether you want to update your handle for branding, make it more professional, or just claim a new username that better matches your content. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, open x.com and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to update. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left-hand navigation menu. You'll see a section with different menu options, and the one you need to click is More. This opens up additional account and settings options that aren't shown in the main menu. After clicking More, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of the account controls, privacy settings, and profile-related options. On the next screen, go to Your Account. Inside that section, click on Account Information. At this point, X may ask you to verify your identity before you can make changes. This is completely normal and is there to help protect your account. You'll be prompted to re-enter your password, so type it in carefully and continue. Once your identity is verified, you'll see a list of account details, including your username. Click on Username to begin editing it. Now type in your new handle. As you type, X will check whether the username is available. If the username you want is already taken, you'll be prompted to choose a different one. In that case, try a variation, add a number, or adjust the spelling slightly until you find one that's available. Once you've picked a username that works, double-check that it looks right and that it's easy to remember. Then click Save to confirm the change. Your new X username will now be updated on your account. Just remember that changing your username can affect your profile link, so if you've shared your old handle anywhere, you may want to update it there too. And that's it! You've successfully changed your X username or Twitter in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy walkthrough.